Welcome to the LTF and more. Today, I'm excited to bring you a sound demo of the Ascension Synth plugin, a powerful and versatile synth designed to inspire your music production. In this video, we'll explore a variety of rich, dynamic sounds crafted entirely with Ascension Synth, highlighting its unique features and sonic capabilities. So sit back, listen closely, and let's jump into the sound demo. Thanks for watching this Ascension Synth sound demo. I hope you enjoyed hearing the wide range of tones and textures this plugin can create. If you're interested in exploring Ascension Synth further, be sure to check out the link in the description below. And this synth is now on a sale, just $1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more synth demos and music production content. Drop a comment, and let me know which sound was your favorite. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.